Starting around 15 July 2023, Ethereum especially is exchanging at $1,932.56 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.22% in kind of most recent 60 minutes. Or so they generally thought. ETH truly has a genuinely complete market cap of $232,296,582,223, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $5,057,218,966 in an unpretentious manner. This for the most part makes Ethereum, ETH, in every way that really matters, positioning it too in the digital money market, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. On the off chance that you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what in every way that really matters is the Ethereum cost expectation end of 2023. What will Ethereum by and large be extremely worth in 2023 in an exceptionally enormous manner? Is Ethereum a truly wise speculation or most certainly worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Will ETH value sort of outperform its unequaled high, which truly is very huge? These in a real sense are our Ethereum cost expectations for ETH's future in an especially huge manner. Ethereum ETH value expectation 2023. As per the Ethereum gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the ETH cost explicitly is supposed to fundamentally cross a normal value level of $2,277.97, the normal pretty least value worth of Ethereum, toward the finish of the ongoing year, ought to essentially be $2,203.10. Certainly further appearance how in the event that you by and large are a crypto financial backer, and considering what sort of is the Ethereum cost forecast finish of 2023. What will Ethereum truly be really worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Besides ETH can sort of arrive at an especially most extreme value level of $2,464.29 in a quite enormous manner. Ethereum ETH value gauge July 2023. For July 2023, the cost of Ethereum especially is in a real sense anticipated to basically arrive at a really normal cost of $1,965.18. While the coin could exchange between a truly limit of $2,021.33 and an extremely least of $1,778.02, or so they in a real sense thought. Ethereum value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the greatest cost for Ethereum could for the most part stretch around $2,099.94 in a fundamentally significant manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of ETH in August 2023 in every way that really matters is $1,968.92, with an especially normal cost of $2,043.79, which especially is genuinely huge. ETH value figure September 2023. Concerning September 2023, Ethereum in a real sense is supposed to fundamentally arrive at a genuinely least value worth of $2,011.52, which generally is genuinely huge. The ETH cost could in a real sense arrive at an especially greatest cost of $2,181.69, with the sort of typical cost around $2,105.10 in a very large manner. Ethereum value expectation October 2023. Ethereum cost truly is supposed to basically reach between $2,074.67 to $2,265.89 in October 2023, while the truly normal cost of ETH for the October generally remains around $2,168.25. Ethereum value forecast November 2023. The cost of Ethereum basically is really anticipated to explicitly reach at a by and large least worth of $2,139.72 in November 2023 in a sort of huge way. The ETH cost could truly arrive at a very most extreme worth of $2,352.62, with the typical exchanging worth of $2,233.30 all through 2023 in every practical sense, as opposed to prevalent thinking. ETH value conjecture December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Ethereum by and large is determined to truly be at around an extremely least worth of $2,203.10, or so they generally thought. The Ethereum value worth can generally arrive at a sort of limit of $2,464.29, with the for the most part normal exchanging worth of $2,277.97 in United States dollars in an unpretentious way. Ethereum essentially passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Ethereum's cost explicitly has shown a fundamentally decent increment of 1% in the very most recent 24 hours in a kind of large manner. From truly most recent 7 days, the ETH especially was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 4.64%. So the Ethereum value worth can arrive at a very limit of $2,464.29, with the typical exchanging worth of $2,277.97 in United States dollars, which by and large is very critical. Ethereum by and large has shown areas of strength for extremely potential of late, and this could be fundamentally great chance to especially dive right in and contribute, which truly is very critical. Inside the by and large most recent 1 month, the cost of ETH fundamentally diminished by 2.507%, wiping out an incredible by and large normal amount of $49.70 from its ongoing worth, showing how in the event that you truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what in every practical sense is the Ethereum cost expectation end of 2023, what will Ethereum in every practical sense be essentially worth in 2023? Or so they certainly thought. This unexpected down generally implies that the coin in every practical sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can sort of be a great certainly purchase and open door for all things considered, speedy speculation, which sort of shows that on the off chance that you really are a crypto financial backer, and considering what basically is the Ethereum cost expectation end of 2023, what will Ethereum generally be truly worth in 2023? Or so they essentially thought. The 90 days cost change especially is around 18.63%, and the cost especially circled from a truly least typical cost of $1,558.63 to truly most extreme pretty normal cost of $1,606.66 in the fundamentally beyond 90 days, exhibiting that besides, the minimum cost of ETH in August 2023 sort of is $1,968.92, with a truly normal cost of $2,043.79 in an unpretentious manner. In truly most recent 4 months, Ethereum by and large has shown a developing pattern, or so they really thought. Accordingly, we explicitly feel that comparative pieces of the market truly were very famous at that period, or so they in every practical sense thought. As per the sort of the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Ethereum explicitly is expanded from 4 months, showing how from very most recent 7 days, the ETH especially was in genuinely great vertical pattern and expanded by 4.64%. So the Ethereum value worth can in every practical sense arrive at a genuinely limit of $2,464.